How do y'all do videos? Team PDRN. Hi guys.
So when I woke up in the morning, I decided to do the turmeric and yogurt face mask. It's actually very simple to do. You just need turmeric powder and you need yogurt. Now, if you don't have the traditional yogurt, you can get the processed one. It still works all the same. Albeit, it has to be fermented. Like, you know when they say don't keep it open and drink after 3 days, you definitely should keep this on after 3 days. You'll need it because that bacteria is what is gonna help your skin look so plump and bright at the same time.
Much later.
So today's my defense and we've not yet started. I don't know why. It's quite late. It was supposed to be by 9. This is already past 11 in the morning, not 10. I'm getting tired and I just want to go home. For my skincare this morning before I came, I actually used the Bad Skin Anti-Major Form Cleanser with mugwort. And then the next thing I went in with was the Skin Food Peach Toner Pads. Clean it up, and then I used the essence, the peach toner essence, and then I used Ice and Tree, Team PDRN, the entire line. I also specifically applied peptide booster. I mean, look at my skin. It's so good. I'm gonna go home. So this is my outfit. Can't wait for them to start. And this is quite noisy, but then this is like a video of spend the day with me.
If you've watched this video up until this point, please leave a like, comment where you're watching this from, and what kind of video you would like to see. I really want to focus and make more content here. Thank you. And I'll see you in my other videos. Bye.